Alright, a goal you should have for yourself is to actually design your own header for your portfolio. This right here looks kind of bland and it will actually say your name, portfolio, or for some of you it might show your ID number. And so there's a way to actually customize that to again add your own character to your work, to your portfolio. So in order to do that, there's a couple things that need to happen. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Google Drive account and create a drawing. All right, and so to do that, you just come up here, New, and you would choose Google Drawing. That's the first piece. I've already done that, and so here's a Google Drawing. When you open up Google Drawing, you can actually customize the size of the page. And so in order for you to do a header for a site, you're going to want to come into File, and you're going to want to choose Page Setup. And by doing that, the option is going to say Standard, but you actually want to click Standard and choose Custom. Once you choose Custom, this is the width and the height that you want to use. So 10.416 for the height, and for the for the width, and then for the height 1.5625. Once you have that, hit OK, and what it will do is it'll create this rectangle for you. So that is the space that you have to actually create your own header for your website, for your portfolio. And so I just did my first name, tried to be a little creative, and then portfolio of work. Okay, just don't put your full name at the top, but go ahead and design the way that you want. You can create shapes, you can create lines, you can do insert images, word art, so there's lots of things that you can do in this. But once you have that, you have a couple options to download. You go to File, and you're either going to choose PNG or you're going to choose a JPG. If you want the background, or if you want this image to look like it was really part of that website, and so that there's no white space if the background is red or green on the actual template of the portfolio, then you're going to want to choose a PNG file. Otherwise, if you want the background of your image to be the background of your portfolio, then you can do a JPEG. But I'm going to do PNG, and I'm going to download this, and so it's doing that right now. Okay, and as that's downloading, I am then going to go back to my site, and where was I? Right here. Okay, and so this is the process you're going to take. You're going to come in here and you're going to go into Edit Site Layout. Okay, then you're going to come in and notice how this right here where your name is, notice how it's a different color on my page. I'm going to click that. Once I click that, I'm going to choose to attach my own file, and it's on my desktop, and it's called Craig's Header. And give it a second. You need to wait until the actual image shows up here, and we're going to say I want to, we'll just do middle here and center there. Okay, so let's see what happens when I do that. Okay, there it is. Okay, now I don't want this here, and I don't want the search. And so to get rid of that, I'm going to go to Manage Site this time, and I'm going to uncheck that. And then I'm also, if I don't want the search to be at the top, I'm going to click that and uncheck Enable Search. So now when I save this, and I hit the name of my site to go back, I'm going to see just my header there. Okay, so that's your way of creating and designing your own header for your portfolio, and I highly encourage you to do that to add in your own flavor and character to your portfolio.